Yesterday, I got to have a conversation with one of the most amazing speakers I know, an incredible businesswoman and general all-round inspirational person, Joanna Martin. And she's going to be appearing on my podcast next month in August. If you're not subscribed, you don't want to miss that episode, I promise you. It was an incredible conversation, and we were talking about what makes someone good and influential as a speaker, as a presenter in any form of life, whether it's presenting online, whether it's presenting from a stage, or on a smaller scale, like a networking meeting or just in casual surroundings. And it's energy, emotion. These are the things that will make the biggest difference. We've probably all been through some kind of class or presentation where the speaker sounded like Charlie Brown's teacher, and it was more wah, wah, wah. That is boring. It's hard to listen to somebody droning on and low energy, and it's hard to learn from that as well. That doesn't mean you need to be super high energy and high speed all the time, because that can be an overload. We need variety, peaks and troughs, highs and lows, speed up, pause, change the emotional energy of what you're talking about. These are the things that will give you vocal variety. They will give you a much more keen audience who are hanging on your every word. I'm going to talk about this more in my podcast episode today. If you're not already subscribed to the Speaking of Influence podcast, please get subscribed. We're back tomorrow with what I'm reading.